careful not to let Whiskers get hit by the broken stones when you shovel the pile of stones. My task is completed, and I will leave the task of lifting the tree to the crane. I am the crane. Let's secure the big tree with a rope before lifting it. Construction fleet, thank you for saving me. You are welcome, Whiskers. We need to rescue Momo right away. The entrance to the basement has been blocked by a slate. Let's remove the slate first. The slate is too large. I need to change a drill bit to break the slate. Now, let's break the slate. And then change a bucket to remove the broken stones. The entrance is wide open. I will leave the rest of the task to the crane. Drag the equipment onto the lifting hook and drop it into the basement for Momo. Help Momo put on the equipment. Gloves. Safety harness. Safety hat. Don't worry, Momo. I will help you out right away. Okay, construction fleet, I can count on you. Truck team, here's a badge for you.